Staying motivated to achieve your fitness goals. The constant daily stressors of life can place a burden on one's energy and motivation levels. As a result, it can be easy for one to adopt a variety of unhealthy lifestyle habits such as not exercising, consuming poor quality foods, and engaging in negative forms of entertainment. Naturally, the physiological and psychological effects of these toxic behaviors can have a significant bad effect on the quality of one's life. The good news is that the daily stressors can be combated and defeated through motivation. Contrary to popular belief, motivation is not a single entity. Motivation is multifaceted and involves a variety of intelligent approaches to living. These intelligent approaches to living are known as the healthy lifestyle habits. When practiced regularly, healthy lifestyle habits can positively transform one's quality of life and allow them the ability to explore their true potential. Regular exercise, healthy eating, quality rest, ample hydration, and positive forms of entertainment all provide the necessary psychological and physiological stimulus, as well as the energy needed for consistently staying motivated.